We're here this weekend for the first annual outdoor show.
This is a great opportunity for us to bring most of our product line into one location and have the experts talk about the product to make sure that people that may be interested feel confident that they're making the right decision.
We have everything from gators, compact tractors, mowers, all the way up to even CCE equipment. And it's all basically built around small property management and lawn management.
People will get the opportunity to go out and touch it, feel it, get to learn what it's really about.
Here at Sydenstricker Nobbe, I believe that this outdoor show is a one-of-a-kind event. Our company's growing so vast, it gives us an opportunity to be able to do something like this.
The breakout rooms are an opportunity to even dive a little bit deeper into the how do I use the products.
You get kind of that one-on-one, which is great. The biggest thing I want the customers to be able to have is just the knowledge and the know-how around equipment.
So when they hit that key in the spring, it's ready to roll.